सो वेलकम स्टूडेंट्स, इस क्वेश्चन में आपको दिया है साइन इनवर्स ऑफ z minus 1 by I where z is a non-real number can be an angle of a triangle if which of these conditions are valid. So how do we analyze this? So can you see that? So sin inverse function के अंदर z minus 1 by I is going inside my sin inverse function. So one of the conditions that needs to be valid is z minus 1 by I has to be purely real, because sin inverse is defined only for real numbers. So agar z minus 1 by I has to be purely real, so what is the condition? So first I'll start with let z is equal to x plus iy. So z minus 1 by I will be equal to x minus 1 plus iy by I. So if this has to be purely real, can you see that this is equal to purely real? If and only if this term has to be equal to 0. So ये वाला term 0 है तो तब iy by I and I will get cancelled out, you get a real number. This is purely real. If x minus 1 is equal to 0, this implies x is equal to 1. So z का जो real part है वो तो 1 होना चाहिए. Only then will this number z minus 1 by I be real. And when x is equal to 1, z minus 1 by I will be equal to y. ये वाला 0 हो गया, I and I gets cancelled. So z minus 1 by I should be equal to y. ठीक है? So if this is equal to y, so आपका sin inverse of this will be same as sin inverse of y. Now this has to represent an angle of a triangle. So obviously sin inverse के अंदर क्या क्या numbers जा सकते हैं? Sin inverse of y का domain जो है that is -1 to 1 and the range is -π/2 to +π/2. अगर -1 से 1 के बीच में नंबर्स जा रहे हैं तो साइन इनवर्स के अंदर बाहर -π/2 से π/2 के बीच में नंबर्स आएगा. ठीक है. सो हमको नेगेटिव एंगल्स आया तो दोज विल नॉट बी एंगल्स ऑफ ए ट्राइंगल. इफ साइन इनवर्स y हैज टू बी एन एंगल ऑफ ट्राइंगल, सो द आंसर शुड बी इन बिटवीन open 0 to π/2. So the numbers which go inside sin has to be between 0 and closed 1. So y has to belong to 0 and closed 1, so that sin inverse करने के बाद जो angles आएगा those will be standard acute angles which are possible in a triangle. So आपको real part of z is equal to 1 होना चाहिए and imaginary part should be strictly greater than 0, because 0 is also not possible in a triangle. Greater than 0 and less than or equal to -1. So option B is the right answer. Thank you.